welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to edit robot text and htaccess file on WordPress using Rankmath. So first you have to go to your dashboard and then from there go to the Rankmath SEO and click General Settings. After that you'll be able to see this robot.txt file and edit htaccess file. So you can edit the files from here, and once you finish editing you can just click the save changes both for robot.txt and htaccess file. So that's how you change the or edit the robot.txt file and htaccess file on WordPress websites using a Rankmath SEO plugin. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.